In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your Airbnb room rental on your taxes in Intuit TurboTax. If you rent out a room through Airbnb and you need to report that income in TurboTax, this walkthrough will show you where to go and how to get to the correct section. We'll be navigating to the rental income area so you can start entering the details properly. First, from within TurboTax, move your cursor to the income section in the top navigation. This is where TurboTax organizes all the different types of money you earned during the year. So it's the right starting point when you're adding rental income. Once you're there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you an overview of the income categories already entered and helps you find additional sections you may still need to complete. If you've already entered job income or other tax forms, that's completely fine. You're just using this area as the hub to add your Airbnb rental information. Next, use the search field and type in the word rental. This is a quick way to find the exact category you need without manually scrolling through every option. It can save time, especially if you're working through a longer return. When the results appear, click on Rentals, Royalties, and Farm. Even though Airbnb is short-term rental income for many people, TurboTax groups this under the broader rental-related category, so this is the correct place to continue. After that, find Rental Properties and Royalties and click Start. This begins the interview section where TurboTax will guide you through the setup for reporting the property or room rental. Take your time here because the information you enter in this section affects how your rental income and related expenses are handled. On the next prompt, click Yes to continue. This confirms that you do have rental-related information to enter and moves you forward into the rental workflow. At this stage, TurboTax may let you know that you need to be on a plan that supports rental property reporting in order to continue. That's important to keep in mind before you go further. If you see that message, you'll need to upgrade to the appropriate version so the platform can unlock the tools and forms required for rental income entry. And that's the path to get started filing your Airbnb room rental inside TurboTax. From here, just follow the prompts carefully and make sure the income and expense details you enter match your records.